You spent weeks planning your dream cruise, but on packing day, you make one small mistake and it ruins half your vacation. In this video, I'm exposing the 15 most common cruise packing mistakes first-time cruisers make in 2026 and exactly how to avoid every single one. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning your first cruise in 2026, this is one of the most important videos you'll watch. Let's go through the 15 common packing mistakes, countdown style, from number 15 to the biggest mistake at number 1. Number 15, overpacking your checked luggage. Many first-timers bring way too many clothes. Cruise ships have limited storage space in cabins. Avoid it, follow the mix and match rule. Pack outfits that can be worn in multiple ways. Number 14, bringing full-size toiletries. Big shampoo, conditioner, and lotion bottles take up too much space and often leak. Avoid it, use travel-size bottles, or buy them on the ship or port. Number 13, forgetting a collapsible laundry bag or pop-up hamper. Dirty clothes pile up fast on a 7-day cruise and start smelling. Avoid it, bring a lightweight foldable laundry bag. Number 12, packing only formal or only casual clothes. Many new cruisers either pack too many fancy dresses or zero formal wear. Avoid it, check your cruise line's dress code and pack 2 to 3 formal outfits max. Number 11, bringing too many shoes. Shoes are heavy and take up lots of space. Most people only need 3 to 4 pairs. Avoid it, pack 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, 1 formal, 1 flip-flops, and 1 casual. Number 10, not using packing cubes. Clothes get wrinkled and disorganized without them. Avoid it, invest in good quality packing cubes. They save so much space. Number 9, packing banned or restricted items. We already covered banned items, but many still bring power strips, irons, drones, etc. Avoid it, double-check the latest prohibited list before packing. Number 8, forgetting motion sickness remedies. Seasickness hits hard on the first few days for many new cruisers. Avoid it, bring Dramamine, wristbands, or ginger candies. Number 7, bringing expensive jewelry or valuables. Cruise cabins aren't 100% secure, and you don't need to show off. Avoid it, leave expensive items at home. Number 6, not packing layers for changing weather. Even in the Caribbean, nights and sea days can get chilly with AC. Avoid it, pack light jackets, cardigans, and a small umbrella. Number 5, ignoring the 1 carry-on and 1 personal item rule. Airlines and cruise lines are strict now. Avoid it, know the exact size limits for your airline and cruise. Number 4, forgetting important documents in checked luggage. Passport, boarding documents, and IDs should never go in checked bags. Avoid it, keep all documents in your personal item bag. Number 3, packing too many snacks and drinks. Most cruise lines have strict rules on outside food and alcohol. Avoid it, bring only the allowed amount and buy the rest on board. Number 2, not packing a portable phone charger and extra cables. You'll take hundreds of photos and the ship outlets are limited. Avoid it, bring a small approved power bank and multiple charging cables. Number 1, packing without checking the weather at Itinerary. Many cruisers pack for beach weather but end up in cold ports or formal nights. Avoid it, always check the 10-day weather forecast and your cruise itinerary before final packing. There you have it, the 15 most common cruise packing mistakes first-time cruisers make in 2026. Avoid these and your vacation will start smoothly from the moment you leave home. If you're going on a cruise soon, drop your cruise line and travel month in the comments, and I'll give you personalized packing tips. Hit like if this video helped you pack smarter. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss future cruise guides. I've put a free printable 2026 cruise packing checklist in the description. Download it before you pack. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Bon voyage!